The Municipality of Dingle in the 4th District of Iloilo in Western Visayas or Region 6 was founded in 1593, established in 1823, and was chartered in 1907. Its total land area is about 98.37 kilometers squared or 37.98 square miles. Its population during the 2020 census is about 45,965, comprising 11,698 households. For its economy, the Municipality of Dingle is a third municipal income class. Its revenue in 2020 is 178.2 million. Assets is about 803.2 million in 2020. Its expenditure in 2020 is 126.1 million, and liabilities in 2020 is 98.44 million. The zip code of the Municipality of Dingle is 5035. The Municipality of Dingle is politically subdivided into 33 barangays. Each barangay consists of puroks and some have sitios. The following are the 33 barangays comprising the Municipality of Dingle: Barangay Abangay, Barangay Agsalanan, Barangay Agtatakay, Barangay Alegria, Barangay Bongloy, Barangay Buena Vista, Barangay Kaguyuman, Barangay Kalikwang, Barangay Kamambugan, Barangay Dawis, Barangay Ginalinan Nuevo, Barangay Ginalinan Viejo, Barangay Gutaw, Barangay Ilahas, Barangay Libuo, Barangay Likuan, Barangay Lingkod, Barangay Matangharon, Barangay Moroboro, Barangay Namatay, Barangay Nazuni, Barangay Pandan, Barangay Putolan, Barangay San Jose, Barangay San Matias, Barangay Sinibaan, Barangay Tabugon, Barangay Tambunak, Barangay Tanghawan, Barangay Tigib, Barangay Tinukuan, Barangay Tula-Tulaan, and Poblacion. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.